Hey guys, it's Courtney here from Flynn, and we are going to do a little yarn math. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to figure out how much yardage you have in a partial skein such as this, as well as how to figure out how many yards you used for any particular project. So let's start with our partial skein. If you're anything like me, you have a bunch of these guys in your stash, and you're always wondering whether you'd have enough yardage to get you through your next pattern. So you can grab a yardstick or a tape measure and physically measure out yard by yard how much yarn you have. But that gets pretty cumbersome, so I want to show you an easier way to figure out yardage. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is weigh our yarn. And I'm using an inexpensive scale. I found mine on Amazon. You don't need anything fancy. And we're gonna place our partial skein onto the scale to find out how much it weighs. And it's showing that it weighs 16 grams. Okay, and the next thing we wanna do is grab the yarn label from a full skein of the same type of yarn to check the total weight of the full skein. And this skein is showing 85 grams for the total weight. And if you don't happen to have a yarn label handy from the same type of yarn, you can always go on the yarn company's website to get the information. Then we just want to divide the weight of our partial skein by the total weight on our yarn label. So in this case, it would be 16 divided by 85, which equals 0.188, and I would round it up to 0.19. And if it helps to think of this in percentages, that 0.19 represents the fact that your partial skein weighs roughly 19% of the total weight of a full skein. So the next thing we want to do is check the total yardage on our full skein of yarn, which in this case is 197 yards. Okay, so the final step in figuring out how much yardage we have left in this partial skein is to multiply that 0.19 or 19% by the total yardage in our full skein. So that would be 0.19 times 197, and that equals 37.43. I would round that up to 37.5 roughly, but that means you have 37.5 yards in this partial skein. All right, so for the second part of this tutorial, I'm going to help you figure out how many yards you used for a particular project based on the amount of yarn you started with versus the amount of yarn you're left with after you finish your project. So to get the most accurate measurement, you want to make sure to weigh your yarn before and after knitting your project. And I am starting with a skein that's already been used a little bit, but even if you're starting with a full skein, sometimes the weight can be off a gram or two from what's listed on the yarn label, so you still want to make sure to weigh that full skein. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to assume this is the yarn I started with, so I want to get a weight on it, and it's showing 42 grams. Okay, and then I want to get a weight on the yarn I have left after I finish my project. So I put that on the scale and it's showing 14 grams. So to figure out how much yarn we used for our project, we want to take the amount we started with, which was 42 grams, and subtract the amount we're left with, which was 14 grams. So 42 minus 14 equals 28. So we used 28 grams for our project. Then we're going to grab our yarn label to check the total weight for a full skein, which is 85 grams in this case. And again, if you do not have that yarn label, you can always go on the company's website to check that information. Okay, and I just want to mention that we are basing our math on what's listed on the yarn label. So the yarn company has determined what the yardage is based on the weight. So we are using this label for our math. Okay, so we know the amount we used for our project was 28 grams, and we know the yarn label says a full skein is 85 grams. So we want to divide the amount we used for our project, 28, by 85, which equals 0.329, or I would just round that to 0.33. And if it's easier for you to think about in percentages, you can think of that 0.33 as 33%. So we used 33% of the yarn's total weight for our project. All right, and then we're going to grab our yarn label again to find out how many yards are in a full skein, and this is showing 197 yards. And the final step is to figure out how many yards we used. So we're going to go back to our percentage, which was 33%. So for our project, we used 33% of the yarn's total weight. And we're going to multiply that 0.33 times 197, which is the total yardage on a full skein. So 0.33 times 197 equals 65.01. And I just round that to a straight 65 yards. So that's how you figure out either how many yards you used for a project or how many yards are in a partial skein. And I just want to make a mention of the fact that you can apply the same concept to meters if you'd like. I primarily work in yards, but if you want to use meters, go ahead and do that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to share more with you next time. Follow me on Instagram at Flinit to see what I'm working on next.